Can you invest like an American? Funding your Questrade account with USD. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might surprise some of you. Can you actually deposit US dollars into your Questrade account? For Canadians looking to diversify their portfolios and invest in US-listed stocks or ETFs, Questrade is a popular choice. But what if your savings are primarily in USD? Does that mean you have to convert everything to Canadian dollars before you can start building your investment dream team? The answer, thankfully, is no. Questrade does allow USD deposits, but there are a few things to keep in mind before you get started. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to leverage your USD for cross-border investing with Questrade. Why invest in USD? Before we dive into the mechanics of depositing USD, let's take a quick step back and explore why you might even consider it. There are a couple of key reasons. U.S. market access. The U.S. stock market is simply massive, boasting a wider variety of companies and investment opportunities. By allowing USD deposits, Questrade opens the door to this vast marketplace for Canadian investors. Reduced conversion fees. Constantly converting your USD to CAD and back again can eat into your returns through foreign exchange fees. Holding USD in your Questrade account lets you avoid these unnecessary costs. Hedging against currency fluctuations. If you have a hunch that the USD might strengthen relative to the CAD, keeping your investment capital in USD can act as a hedge against currency fluctuations. Alright, how do I deposit USD? Now that we've established the potential benefits of USD deposits, let's get down to brass tacks. There are two main ways to fund your Questrade account with USD. Pre-authorized deposits, PADs. This is the most common method. Think of it like setting up a recurring automatic payment from your USD bank account to Questrade. You'll need to provide your bank account details and set up the PAD through Questrade's online portal. The funds will then be electronically transferred on a predetermined schedule. Wire transfers. For larger, one-time deposits, wire transfers might be the way to go. However, keep in mind that wire transfers can incur fees from both your bank and Questrade. So, it's important to weigh the cost against the convenience before opting for this method. Important things to remember. There are a few key things to keep in mind when depositing USD into Questrade. Currency conversion. While you can hold USD in your Questrade account, all trades are ultimately settled in CAD. This means there will be a conversion involved when you buy or sell securities. Questrade offers competitive foreign exchange rates, but it's still something to be aware of. Minimum deposit amounts. There are minimum deposit requirements for both PADs and wire transfers. Be sure to check Questrade's website for the current minimums before initiating your deposit. Tax implications. There are potential tax implications for holding USD assets in your Questrade account. It's always best to consult with a tax professional to understand how USD deposits might impact your tax situation. USD deposits, a smart option for savvy investors. By allowing USD deposits, Questrade opens up a world of opportunity for Canadian investors. From accessing the vast U.S. market to potentially saving on conversion fees, there are clear benefits to consider. However, it's important to weigh these advantages against the currency conversion aspect and any potential tax implications. So, the answer to our initial question, yes, you can definitely deposit USD into your Questrade account. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Do your research, understand the fees involved, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.